In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply create workflow automation in n8n that generate videos using Veo3 or Sora. We're going to do that both in two separate workflow and compare the outcome. How the video is generated through Sora looks like and how the video generated through Veo3 looks like. And also explore how the UGC content creation is working now with all AI capability that we have. Let's have a look how I build these workflows. This is the workflow for creating UGC videos for social media marketing using Sora. I built this in n8n environment and I put my product images in a Google Drive and fetch them from here, go to the nano folder where I have this product image. And now here, I want to generate the video here. I already generated one video here. You can have a look at how this video is generated using Sora.
One quick adjustment. Morning rush, no problem. One quick adjustment and everything I need is right where it should be.
I also generated a video using Veo3 here. And that's how the outcome looks like. But let's go through this workflow, how actually we can create these ones. So I connected the Google Drive trigger, connected to the directory that I have my product images, which is nano folder in Google Drive. And I put the origin bag. I think it's origin. Oh, no, it's not. It's another bag. But basically, it's a bag for one of the product I found in internet and added here. And I send this to AI to detect the product and create a prompt that is aligned for this product and is compelling and is good to use for social media marketing. Sending this to AI and I'm telling AI that you are a content creator, a specialist UGC. This is the image you get. Can you please create a prompt that help me to generate a good video for social media marketing? And the prompt that AI is created is this one. And that was the video that I show you, the woman in the train station that actually have the bag with her. And then here it goes through the process to generate the video through Sora. Now let's execute it one more time and see how it looks like this time. So the prompt is slightly changed and she's walking in a market in the afternoon and etc. So she has that bag with herself. And now this prompt will be sent to Sora for generating a video through Sora. For this process, wait node, mainly because when the request sent to Sora, it takes time to generate a video and come back. So we need to have a wait time to make sure that we get the response from Sora and the workflow doesn't get failed. And then also we check the status of Sora, whether it is completed or not, and still the video is in progress for generating that video for us. That's why it's really important. If you have multiple products and you generated multiple prompts, you will need to go through all these items. So that's why we have loop over. So if you want to generate multiple video at scale, for example, you have 10 products or you want to generate 10 different videos for one of your product, you can do that simply here. And once you have that, you just loop over through the item and then each going to generate the video for you. This is great, especially if you want to, on a weekly basis, have this in production, upload your images to the Google Drive once a week, and then it generates all the relevant video for you. And you just download the video from Google Drive and simply use them. And once this is used, so then you can add them in your social media marketing and plan it for the week and publish them. Now, as you can see, the video is generated. Then we download the video URL and store it in the Google Drive here. It shows that it's stored, and I'm going to go and check the video now here. So the new video is generated 2:44 p.m. I'm going to have a look at that. I'm just downloading. Now it's downloaded here. Now it has a different start. She's in the market.
My notes.
As you can see, the video is very natural. She's in the market. She's carrying the bag. That's right. And it's a different prompt, generated a different video. The previous one was
No
she's in the
problem. One quick adjustment.
the previous video was about she's in the train station, and this one was in the market. And that's it. Now let's have a look at the workflow where you can generate the video using Veo 3. Pretty much the similar sequence. So we just changed the process to Veo 3 where we're using the API call, and we call the Veo 3 basically endpoint. And that's it. The rest is exactly the same workflow as we checked with Sora. Now this workflow is about generating UGC videos for the images that we have, but through Veo 3. And this workflow is pretty much similar to the Sora workflow and that I show you in a bit. We just changed the API endpoint. Instead of sending to Sora, sending to Veo 3, and it generated the videos. So it's fetching the bag image that I have here. Then it generates the UGC videos. And as you can see, again, I have the wait time because I want to wait for a couple of seconds to make sure that the video is generated. And that's why mainly using the wait timing here. Once the video is processed, then we download the video from the URL and then we store it in the Google Drive, which is here in the folder Veo 3 that I have it here. This is primarily great if you want to generate different kind of videos for your marketing purposes and you want to try out both Veo 3 and Sora and you want to see which one actually is more interesting for your specific use cases. For bag, it usually both of them generate really good video, but for example, if your product is a water bottle, you might see different result. That's where you can see a difference between these two solutions. I primarily use Veo 3 and Sora here to compare them, and the results usually are great. I love the Sora outcome because it's quite natural. And let's see how Veo 3 is generating the new video. Okay, now the video is generated. We're downloading the video and uploading to Google Drive. Here we have the latest video and gonna check it out and see what's the outcome look like. As you can see, the video generated with Veo 3, it's quite sharp, it's quite natural, but still I love the Sora outcome because it was more natural and more real. I think this one has too much color in it that makes it looks AI generated. Depends on, the product. I found it, for example, if you have a bottle product that or something that you want to use with hand, etc., Veo 3 generates better outcome. But in this case, for bag, I feel like Sora's outcome looks a lot better. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to generate video for another product, like a beauty product like lipstick. I dropped the lipstick here, as you can see here, and I'm going to execute this using Sora and Veo 3 through the n8n workflow and see what UGC video this workflow going to generate for me. Let's have a look the outcome, because lipstick is one of those products that you need to hold in your hand and is different with bag. The video was really good. It was a bit quite sharp, the video that generated by Veo 3, but more realistic with Sora. I'm gonna see this one that it needs more human touch in terms of like holding with finger and etc. How that's gonna look like and how much we can use that for our social marketing purposes. Both workflow are running at the moment, and this one is with Sora. Okay, they picked this image. I'm pretty interested to see what would be the outcome of this. I tested previously. I saw the video. It looks good, but I just want to do it live. You guys see that in action, how this looks like. You get a better understanding of, okay, which one works for your use cases. It's always good to test out. And there is a subscription for both Nano Banana and Rotary and Sora, and you can use them at a scale for your marketing purposes. Okay, this is nearly done. You can always directly use this platform yourself, but having them in the workflow, you can connect this to the rest of your marketing tech stack and create the videos at a scale without going through different platforms, and keep them running on a weekly, monthly basis as you upload your products to your Google Drive and so on. Now the video is created, both workflow are finished. Now let's have a look at the video. This is the video generated.
And get the saucy like this. Twist off the cap and there's the red bullet. A tap on the strip wastes the touch control. See that glow? Smooth.
Okay, see that? This is a video that generated by Sora. This is the video generated by Veo3. And as you can see, the video with Veo3 is quite sharp color and it looks more AI generated, but Sora has a more natural looking video that you can simply use it for your social media marketing. Hope you found this video helpful and you enjoyed seeing that how you can create video for your marketing purposes, whether it's a UGC or primary like social media marketing that you want to use for your blog posts and so on. This is a great opportunity at the moment that we can simply generate videos at a scale, and this workflow help you to create 10 or 20 in videos at one go and without spending hours behind the desk and prompting and so on. So you just put your product in a directory, get the proper prompt related to that product, and then generate the videos with a Sora or Rotary. If you like to customize this workflow, access this workflow, and build similar stuff for your marketing tech stack, please get in touch with me. I'm happy to help you out along the way, whether it's a quick chat and consultation or building this for you at a scale. I'm happy to help you out. Please get in touch through the description and I'm happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this and hope you found this helpful.